Right, so today I'm going to be fitting this. It's called a MOTOPOWER. It's a USB charger, so I can keep the phone charged up while we're going along. And this should be fairly straightforward. Mount that by the handlebars, run that under the tank, and connect it to that, which is on the battery. Disconnect the battery, fit that, plug those two together, power. Right, let's crack on then. So I decided to fit mine here, back there. I can get at the on off button here, and I can easily push the USB connector in there, and I'll feed it behind here, round, and I'll get it, should go into this one, or it can go into this end here. I run a Samsung, so I'm Android, I'm not an iPhone fan. Right, obviously, yeah, the cable runs underneath here, it'll run down here, underneath the tank, and it should come out here. There's some cables here, I'll just tuck it behind, and then fit it into there, into the SAE connector. Right, let's crack on. Needs a little bit fiddly, getting it in there. Oh, you weren't there. Here we go. Yeah. There. Got that through. Let's put it through. Get the right length. What you want. It might be difficult. You want a little bit of slack at the top here. And I'm happy with that. Okay. And then feed it underneath. So under it goes. And then just thread it through. There we go. On there. 9 cables. And as simple as that, really. Yep, so this is the connection for the battery, and we'll be fitting that. Right, so I've finished. I've put the lead here so I can use it for other SAE connections. I've got a electric pump as well, and that connects to that. If I show you at the top, there it is. I haven't fitted it in correctly, but I turn it on and it powers that. There you go. It powers the phone, and then turn it off. There's a green light, you can see when it's on and off, so you can always tell if it's charging. And the other thing is, it's not going to drain the battery. You can turn it off. On some of the other ones it does drain the battery, so I've been told. Either way, if I'm not using it anyway, I can just disconnect it from back down here. Yeah, that'd be good. Right, easy enough. Took less than an hour. Anyone can do that, I think. Right, ta-da.